Hella people thinking that I changed up, but they don't really know how my life be. Cause I don't really know who I can trust. Most of them never really like me. Only rock with me for the shit I make. And fake is not my type, see. Telling me I don't think about myself, but I think you might be right, B. I'm just trying to meet people like me, who into the shit that I'm into. But when the shit that you into so far out, it's tough to find somebody who gets you. So I keep to myself and I trust few. I know what it's like to feel like you'll never be good enough, never be regular, never be someone that never love I want whatever. No, fuck it, I'm better than that. I deal with these self-esteem issues by writing these elegant raps. The best kind of therapy, rarely capture these moments of clarity. Rapping to give me some kind of security, maybe prosperity and solidarity. One thing for certain, I got popularity around campus. No, I do not fuck with your faggot fraternity. If you recruit me, you might as well shoot me, cause I will be doing this for an eternity. And currently, mama and papa can see the maturity. Though I never did visit a London with business, I do it sincerely. Listen good, I don't have nobody, but what I might feel are the sounds of sanity. Hoping what I hear loops itself continuously, then I won't be afraid. No, no. Puffin' bud, bumper cut. Growing up, that's all I knew. Gave it up for a sec, but just cause I rap, y'all act like I'm supposed to. Stereotypical, people gonna judge, so I choose whether I should give a fuck or not. Probably not. Fuck thoughts, don't rap my downside on lollipops, cause it's all I got. I don't really get my attention beside pussy. And if you think I'm a deadbeat, cause I'm a rapper, then y'all pussy. Too afraid to create all the things I create, cause you think it'll make it look dumb. Where I'm from, we don't really give a shit about that. I do whatever I want, I just do whatever feel right. Now I've been up the past few nights, doing work, blew another Adderall. Did a boost just so I can get a something out. You got thoughts with pens, forget about it. Think I'm a pill addict, I probably wouldn't doubt it. No secrets, so they don't hide shit. If you didn't hear from me, don't believe it. But some people just can't handle the truth until you ham in the proof. I just go ham in the booth. One proof you can head in the amps, get a clue. Cause everything that I write's legit. Real life that I fight to live. You don't even really gotta like the shit, but just know this isn't your life to live. This my life. I deserve to be feeling myself. For your entertainment, you should be happy I didn't go through with killing myself. Is this what it takes? For you to listen to what I gotta say? For you to see everything isn't okay? Like what would you do if I died today? Okay, soft spoken, I've been broken. I'm not all that I seem to be. Quite possibly psychotic, I keep it all in secrecy. Voices in my head and all I really want is to live life peacefully. The pain will be my therapist and believe that we meet quite frequently. Oh, listen good, I don't have nobody, but what I might feel are the sounds of sanity. Hoping what I hear loops itself continuously, then I won't be afraid. No.